Hello beautiful people, you once again welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Okay, so today I'm going to take you through how I start this beautiful hair that I'm curling right now. So stay tuned and enjoy the process. Peace. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks. It kind of fell off whenever I purchased it. Yeah, it's falling off. I think I let it when I was relaxing it yesterday. I let the cream stay for too long, I think, or maybe it's because of the color that I have on. That is why it's being that bad. Or my hair is really falling off. I mean, if you can see it on my clothes, yeah, it just fell up like that. So this is how my hair looks like. Yeah, it's so short, but we're going to deal with it. Let's see how far it will. Okay, so I have to let it wet. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to add, you're not wetting it as in wet, but at least letting it have moisture in it will do. Then I love to have cream, little bit. Okay, with my contour mousse. Actually, I cut my hair, it's been like 1 month now, so it's very short, very short. I'm even afraid that this hairstyle I'm going to do might not work out, but let's just try. Okay, I feel like cutting on this said it is too tiny, like it's so short, so dealing with parting it is going to be a problem. But I'm just going to try my best, right? I think let me go in with my old brush, right? I think the brush will do it now. Okay guys, so we are going to go in with Eco Styling Gel. Okay, I love this. It smells so nice. So you're not going to need a lot of the gel because the hair is short, so, and relax as well, so we need a little amount of it. Yeah, and you're going to make sure that the gel has covered all the section of the hair, making it easy to deal with it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think this is not the right tool at all. I'm not finding my brush, my smooth brush, and that's why I'm going on with this, but this is not for it at all, as well as this. So at this moment you want to straighten up the line, okay? make sure that it's straight. Okay, so you have a straight line, and so that it will be easy to deal with it. So yes, I think it will be better when your hair is short like mine to go in with brush, like the what style I'm I using. wanted to do, we I cannot think it's do the with
Mm.
best. this, considering the fact that the hair is too small, it's too tiny. So this joint, no, we cannot do that. So we are going to do other style, different style altogether. I'm going to style it anyway, but the style in my mind I wanted to do, I don't think it's possible. So let's just come out with something, right? Okay, so at this moment you want to lay down your edges, your frontal hair, before you go into doing the real style. So this is my first time trying out this style that I'm about to do, so you'll be slow, you go down slow, but okay, you'll get it. So just as I've laid the frontal, we are going to try to, do something with the middle size as well. I don't know if you understood the concept. So we're trying to, do this, come here, go that, come here, go that. You understand? Yeah. It's quite unfortunate. The hair is too tiny, so you will not get what you wanted, but actually this is the concept, right? So we come here, do the same thing. Yeah, so this is the concept. So the style is like this, right? You go in. Yeah, so this is actually the style. I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm almost done. So um at this moment I will go under a dryer. I will go and dry the hair, and I will come back and show you how it looks like after drying it. Stay tuned. So this is the result. The voila. I hope you enjoyed the process though. By the way, I look cute in here, isn't it? Alright, see you next time. Same here. Bye, y'all.